Hi, good evening.
You know, there's so many stories that storyteller could tell. Why is it a very Detty Christmas, and what makes it special to you?
A very Detty Christmas is it's a very unique story. It has a lot of layers to it. It's special because it embodies the spirit of Christmas, as well as it is a story that you'll definitely have so many lessons you learn from it. It has its humor, it has its intrigues, it has its thriller parts, and I mean it has a family dynamic. It's just all encompassing, and there was no better title than to call it a very dirty Christmas. It's kind of like, so it's dirty, but it's still fun. It's still quite refreshing to watch.
Right, I love to hear that. We've seen Shanty Down went on Netflix, and now very Detty Christmas coming to cinemas. Why cinemas?
Because I mean, this time around I wanted to do something that people can actually just go watch with their loved ones. Just, I mean, so much is happening in the world. We need something that makes us just relax and have a good time with families and friends, and this just felt like just the perfect project.
The cast, the very intriguing and funny title. Yeah, and it seems like a very fun film. So I'm looking to just have a good time.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask you, what does Christmas mean to you? What does Christmas feel like for you?
It feels like love, and it hasn't felt like that for a long time for me, just because of my mom passing 5 years ago. But I'm starting to get back into the groove of love because I have my daughter, I have family and friends that have become family. So I'm getting back into the Christmas spirit.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, speaking about your daughter, I'm thinking you and Azari, I think you're gonna have like a very funny, sweet, loving relationship. You wanna tell me about your relationship with her?
Yeah, my baby loves me. I love my baby even more. We have a fun relationship. Of course, I'm a disciplinarian as well. She knows.
Are you?
She knows. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm a fun mom. I'm a very jovial mom, but I have to always instill discipline in my child, and she knows better. She knows how to be compassionate and kind to other people as well. So I'm really grateful to see her grow up and see her have these different characteristics. It's like, oh, my little baby,
Right,
who's not
right.
so little anymore. She's like,
Absolutely,
yeah.
right. I do agree with you. That's so much needed. And before I leave, I want to ask you, as someone who was the root of an executive producer on the project Three Cold Dishes, I would ask you, what have you learned on the short journey of the cinema runs? Feel like for you?
So that's a very interesting
Sure.
question that I didn't think I was going to get asked. But you live and you learn, and at the end of the day, the cinema is what we have. We have as Nigerians, as Lagosians, as artists, as creatives. The cinema is what we have. Yeah, streaming platforms is beautiful and great, and everybody gets to watch it. But at the end of the day, the cinema is ours, and we can control that in some shape, way, or form. What it taught me is that it's a lot of grinding, a lot of sweat, a lot of early mornings, late nights. Yeah, and you have to have the gusto for the cinema run. It's not for weak people
Right,
at
it's not a child's
all.
play.
It's not child's play at all. My goodness. So yeah, that my eye has opened to the cinema run. But yeah, I'm grateful for all experiences.
Right. I mean, you did pretty good. I think you did pretty good for someone who's just coming into the cinema space as an executive producer. You did
Yes.
pretty good. So thank you for sharing your creativity
you.
and your warmth with the world. Hope you have a lovely night.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you so
Very pleasant interview. I love it. Thank
you so
you.
much.
Thank you.
For me, it's a time to enjoy, a time to relax, a time to share with loved ones, a time to also give to loved ones, and even the ones that are, maybe not your immediate loved ones, but to share with the general public, what God has blessed you with, and a time to wear that special cloth.
Right.
And then, go on that holiday. So it's an exciting time. And then spiritually, for those of us who are spiritually minded, it's a time to, actually be extremely happy that we are commemorating the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ,
Right.
and His coming, His birthing, just shows us there's redemption for us, and
Right.
we are not going to be lost, and then He doesn't want us to be lost, and that's why He was birthed to save us. So we rejoice, especially we that are Christians during this period.
So first of all, I was excited and I was scared because I think one of these scenes when I had read initially I was happy, like very happy. I'm like, oh, I can do this. And I read the script, and I found out there was a carnival scene. Then I found out there was a lot of people to costume. I'm like, oh my god, this is gonna be a lot. But I just don't want to just costume everybody. We just put them on just one regular outfit. Even if it's gonna be regular, just make a twist to it, make it interesting, for me. And yeah, I was really happy when I got the call. I was happy and I was scared.
Let's see here. Who put this together for you? I mean, you are a costume designer, but never say never. You might be another person. Who put this together for you?
So before I became a costume designer, I was a fashion designer. I am a fashion designer. So I own a brand. It's on my brand. I made everything.
Wow,
Yes.
this looks fabulous.
Thank you.
Before I let you go, what does Christmas look like for you?
Christmas, what does it look like for me?
Yes. And what is this Christmas looking like for you?
It's looking like I'm gonna be thanking the Lord, There'll be a lot of thanking, appreciating God, I'm having fun with family and friends, you understand? And sharing, I feel like every moment matters, even if it's not Christmas. So just having those moments of holiday to share with people that you love and care about. That's what Christmas is now.
Sounds like a plan. Congratulations, Chukwuka, once again, and I hope you have a lovely night.
You too.
Being a staple in the industry.
When you saw the trailer of this film, Very Detty Christmas, what came to your mind and what are you expecting from this film?
I was actually wow because it had like comedy and then it had like mystique. The should I say the juju of it all. I actually want to see that play out mixed with comedy, and then I think that it also has scenes of domestic violence. I think so. Yeah, it's a very good balance, but I want to see how all of that will merge together.
I'd love to hear that. You speak like someone who has so much interest when it comes to film. Are you looking forward to exploring films? Very.
I'm actually an actor. Yes, I'm a screen and voice actor before being a reality TV personality.
Wow,
Yes.
that's really nice.
Yes.
That's really nice. Let's hear that. What does Christmas look like for you?
Christmas for me is the lights, the decor, the festivities, of course the traffic, the things I don't look out for, the traffic, the noise, the crowd. Yeah, so that's what Christmas means to me, especially in Lagos.
Right. Sounds more like a plan. I wish you an absolutely beautiful Christmas and thank you for speaking with me.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. The premiere of A Very Dirty Christmas, produced by Inieru. What excites you the most about this film?
I haven't seen the film, I'm yet to see it, but I'm very excited that Imi is taking bold steps. I'm proud of the fact that she's done her first cinema movie. It's not easy, and I wish her the best, and that's why I'm here to support her.
I'd love to hear that. I'm going to ask you, as someone who we all consider as a very versatile and brilliant actor yourself, what makes a film a good film to you?
First of all, the story has to be relatable. People have to be impacted by the story, no matter the kind of film that you're telling.
I'm going to ask you, what does Christmas look like for you?
Christmas looks like spending time with family and eating good food.
Wow. And the party, right?
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, before I let you go, and what if Ini is watching this, if you want to say something to her, what do you want to say to her?
I want to say to Ini, congratulations. I'm proud of you. You're doing an amazing job. Keep going, keep pushing. This is only the beginning.
Thank you so much. I saw what you did with To Kill a Monkey. You did absolutely fantastic. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Amazing director, amazing producer, and I can't wait to see the finished product. It's a movie that I feel will take over the cinemas this period.
Right, I'd love to hear that. Iniedo is a fantastic and amazing producer herself. When she reached out to you to be on this project, maybe it was a call, maybe it was a text. How did that feel like for you?
Well, she was like, we have this amazing script and I want to play Frankie. And I'm like, Frankie, let me go to say, no, I want you to play something different, something that people haven't seen you in before. And that's Frankie. And she's an amazing casting director, I would say. She always gets it right when it comes to casting. So one thing I would say for sure is that I enjoyed playing Frankie, and can't wait for you guys to see what we were able to do with this.
Before I let you go, what is Christmas 2025 looking like for you?
This Christmas is going to be dirty. It's a dirty Christmas.
Wow.
A very
Is it
dirty
a party?
Christmas.
Is it a food?
It's a very dirty Christmas.
Okay. Is that an exclusive invite to everyone?
I'm going to spend every single day in the cinemas because this is an amazing movie, and I would sit down in the cinemas every day watching it.
Right. Thank you so much for speaking.
That's my brother. You too.
Premiere of A Very Dirty Christmas. What excites you the most about this film?
The cast, the fact that it's in here, though. I'm expecting a very good Christmas movie.
Right. When you saw the trailer of this film, A Very Dirty Christmas, is it the chaos that caught your attention? Is it the drama? Is it the Christmas?
It's mostly the chaos, And also, I like, not apart from the trailer, I like the way Inedo went about like delivering boxes in her Christmas outfits. I just thought that was hilarious. So yeah, man, I really want to see what the movie is about.
Right, love to hear that. What is this Christmas 2025? What is it looking like for you?
It's looking like home, it's looking like family, it's looking like mother and father, it's looking like aunties and uncles and nephews and nieces. That's what it's looking like for me.
Does it look like a wedding?
For whom?
Yes, so you know what I'm talking about?
I don't. For whom?
There's so many. Esther is always going on Instagram with different,
My brother, I've changed this year now.
Okay.
I was bad in the past, but this year I've tried to be good. So give me some props.
Okay, fingers crossed.
Yes.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. You have a lovely night.
Thank you.
Oh my God, every single one of you, Fina, I just love you so much. YJ, thank you, Auntie UK, Dave. Oh my goodness, everybody. Who else? Who should come to the microphone at this point? I don't know. Frankie, say Fina.
We put together a very amazing movie. One thing I would give credit for is the producer. She's passionate about her work. Anyone that knows Edie knows that she is a perfectionist. She will give you hell till she gets perfection. So all of us collect one. We're proud of what we have here, and putting a lot to this. We had to come back to set another time again to try and get this project completed, and everyone gave them 100%. And thank you to each and every one of you that came through. But now it's out there in the cinemas, and the best you can do for us is to promote the work, put the word out there to everyone, and let people come and watch this movie so that she can make her money back. That is the important part. So thank you so much. Thank you. And God bless you.
I bet Fina. Your local family is in trouble.
Please let the director say something. This will not be complete without AK talking to us. AK, what you gonna say?
Hey guys, thanks so much for coming out to watch our film. Please go out and talk about this film. Tell your friends and your enemies. Tell them to come and watch our film. We need your money to make more films. So please support our film. I want to thank Ini for the call. I want to thank Cinemax for the support. I want to thank the amazing actors for bringing their A game every day. So thank you so much. My crew members, you guys are AAA+. I love you guys so much. We'll make more and more. So thank you guys for watching. Undertakers for staying. I know you guys are busy. So thank you. I appreciate your time. Please. Have a Detty Christmas and a clean January.
Thank you so much. Finally, I just really want to say, please, this is my first time in the cinema in a long time. It took a lot of courage. It took a lot of guts. It took a lot of passion and trust in the process and trust in the craft and trust in God to take on this process. I just want to say that all I have is you guys, so please spread the word. Come watch the film so that they don't arrest me. I have to pay back my investors. Please spread the word. Thank you so much, members of the press, for just being here. A Very Detty Christmas is out in cinemas on the 16th. Please, from tomorrow. Today.
Past 12 already.
See, the hustle starts right now. We have been hustling since beginning of the year. I've been hustling since. I will continue. So that means this whole December, there's no December for me. I have to be on the streets. So you guys have been extremely supportive. I'm just asking one more time for that support and love. And God will continue to bless and provide and preserve and grant us a long life, good health, enough money to watch this film, buy tickets for your friends. And let me say this, every time you come to the cinema, I'm going to make sure there are gifts for every one of you. There are gifts, I have gifts for my fans, because this is for you guys. So come out and watch, you'll go home with a Christmas gift, specially crafted for you. And there is an after party, don't go anywhere. There is an after party. There is an after party. It's Christmas, so we're going to have to party. Is Mr. Prof Cinemax here? Can you say something on behalf of Cinemax? Mr. Prof, please, could you come say something, please? Becca, I want you to say something as well. Party ever after. It's Christmas again.
So for me, it's such an honor to be part of this podcast. And two, 3 days ago, I had called Edie to tell her thank you for making me part of this, especially because I'm a musician first, if an actor. So it's not every time that people really see your gift and say they want to give you a chance. And Edie gave me a chance. Super proud of you, honey. And I really want you guys to see this movie. I'm super proud of my team. I'm proud of it. And you know who I is? I'm an actor. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I'm still going to have Mr. Okoye here. Okay, our stylist is here. See the stylist, though. Chuka. Can you see? Because turn around.
Chuka is more dressed than us. I tried. The
stylist is a designer.
more dressed than us.
And this is Mr. Easy. Of course, our police officer. Let me give the microphone to who is going to talk. Fina, come this side.
Exactly.
Come this side. So you talk on behalf of the baddies.
Alright, good evening everybody. I want to say a very big thank you for everybody that came to watch A Very Detty Christmas. Because I personally will put a lot of my strength into this job. Yes! When we are shooting, anytime I say, I should just vest like this, and Cindy will be like, go and give him a turkey. Go and give him a rice. Go and give him a coffee. So vest, don't let me vest. All I have to say is, we need you to really come and watch this film. You see the Jackie Chan I put, it's easy. If you don't come out and watch, I'm gonna locate you and I'm gonna fight you like that. Thank you very, very much.
That's what this time is after party time!
Let's go outside. Yeah, let's go outside. Are you changing?
I will get my only is not.
y'all hating on you? Fuck Jay-Z, who cares, nigga? I'm talking about Jay-Z. Fuck all that. Jay-Z hating on you right there. Let me tell you, I'm hating Jay. He's my homie. When somebody else live together in England. Nigga, you was better. Yeah. I got you, my niggas. Let's keep the hood to the wood, nigga. Let's get shit out.
Cause my mama be praying for me, say make I get. Cause my baby, she go there before my food. Personally,